What's up guys? Welcome back to the Gadgets 2 channel. Gadgets play a surprisingly important role in our lives. Here is the latest list of new products and gadgets that you can buy right now. I've included links for all the products in the video description down below, so don't forget to check them out. Okay, here it is guys. Today's pick for the very best tech gadgets that can promise you a better lifestyle. If you enjoyed the video, make sure you hit the like button, and if you haven't already, subscribe to the channel. Visit the links in the description for the very best deals, and I will see you in the next one.